Got them loaded up. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. So today we got the tires loaded up. We're getting ready to go put them on at my homeboy's shop, CHEVY Tires. And we're gonna have to do a lift kit. I already know we are. So they're already expecting to do the lift kit. I did not tell them about the new tires we got in the back. So we're just gonna get everything done at one shop. I don't own a tire machine, so ain't nothing I can do about that. But anyways, we up early. We gotta get this thing going. We're gonna pull up over there. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like car content, truck content, anything to do with car building. We do all that stuff on this channel. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, I had to get this stupid GPS working. It didn't even want to work right, but we almost there. So yeah, hopefully they'll let me record in there. Hold on, let me let this window up. Hopefully they'll let me record them doing the work to it. I'll probably talk to them first and see if they'll let me. So y'all stay tuned for that, and then I'll walk around the shop, show y'all what they got going on, and see some cool stuff, guys. I think this new look is gonna be awesome, and then I ain't gotta worry about potholes as much and dodging stuff, and keep my rims safe, you know. But anyways, let me pay attention to the road. We almost there, guys. Alright, we here. Let's see what they got going on. I called yesterday about getting a leveling kit for 2022 GMC Denali.
We can do it, you just have to drop it off. Because there's already a few trucks in line.
Oh, is it? Okay. I got some tires too. I need to get the tires put on. That's why I need the leveling kit. But can you get somebody to see if we need to go higher or not, depending on the tires and the wheels out there?
What size are the tires?
26 by 35. But the rims don't stick out. That's like the factory rim.
Those are what? 26 by what?
26 by 13.5.
No, but the wheels, the width on the wheels is 26 by 12, 26 by 10.
Oh, the wheels 10. 26 by 10.
And the tires 35?
Yeah. The slim ones.
It's a 2022 GMC?
Mm-hmm.
2500?
1500.
And the wheels are 26 by 10 and the tire is 35 by 26.
Uh-huh. Okay. Four G's. I like these though. Somebody probably ordered these and never came to get them. Yep. Well, they said I gotta drop it off, guys. So I was trying to get y'all the footage, but we'll see it when we pick it up, I guess. I gotta get all my stuff out of there. Well, guys, they said we have to go a little bit higher with the leveling kit, and I said lift kit earlier, my bad. But with the leveling kit, So it's pretty much gonna be a lift kit, and I don't want to do that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna go to this other shop and see what they say. He's saying it's gonna rub, but I'm trying to tell him I got stock 26s, not, you know, like off-road looking 26s that stick way loud. He didn't even come out here and look at the truck. So I don't know, man. We'll see. I seen one dude do it, not on a 2022. This is gonna be the first one, but I seen him do it on I think a 2021 or 2020, and he did 26 Lexanis with the mud tire, and I think they did 2-inch, maybe 3-inch in the front. So of course they had to trim a little bit, but if I go 4-inch leveling kit, I figure I'll be clear. But I don't know, guys. We'll see what happens. Alright, we just pulled up to the drop shop. We're gonna see what they say. See if they can do something. I don't know, guys. Ain't looking too promising today, but we'll find out. Oh man, I tell you what, the day never goes how you planned it. So they did find a kit that would work, but since this Denali got that magnetic suspension and all that, it was gonna come out to like $1,200 for the well, that's parts and labor and everything installed. So I was like, man, hold on, let me think about that for a second. Let me see if I can go another route, cause I mean that's a lot. I already spent a lot, so I don't know. We'll see. He said if I order it before 5 o'clock, that it'll be here by Monday, and today is Friday, so we'll see what's up. Alright guys, I talked to the old lady, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. Let me go ahead and pay for this stuff. Let's see what they got in here while I'm waiting on him. I talked to the old lady. I talked her into it. She said, alright, go ahead and do it.
What's the first thing, bro?
Now it's a 3.5, right?
Yes,
with
sir.
the magnetic stuff.
Yeah, and this one's made for your ride, bro.
That's why I told my wife, I was like, it's made for it, so it ain't gonna mess with it too much. So she's like, all right, go ahead and do it. Do at least half or something.
With tax, you're gonna be at $1,290, bro. That's for everything.
Okay.
Lift, labor, alignment, everything.
Okay, let's just do 6 today.
6 today, I'm cool, man.
Yeah.
Card, man.
And you will call me when it come in, or?
I'm about to give you a ticket too.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as it gets here, man, we'll give you a shot that will get you knocked out, man.
And then I just bring it.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Y'all ever figure out how to powder coat that gold, or kind of make it look pretty much close to it?
Bro, that's gold and copper are the two colors I hate doing.
Yeah.
They're not.
It's pretty tough, huh?
They're real, what do you call it? Transparent.
Yeah.
And the way people see it on the computers all the time is because they shoot a gold or a copper over like a nice polished wheel.
Yeah.
So, but if somebody gives me something that's not like that, and we gotta shoot our chrome base,
Yeah.
it doesn't look like that, man. It's more dull.
It's more dull look. It's not the transparent look. I already know what you're talking about. Yep.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's just one of those colors we hate doing.
Right.
It's just so hard to get consistent, man. I mean, give me one right here, please, sir.
Yep.
I mean, as soon as you pull it out the oven, it starts cooling off. So the first part you shoot is going to look different from the last part because of it's already the temperature difference and
Yeah.
it sucks, man. I will give you a call as soon as it gets here, bro.
All right, I appreciate it, man.
All right, have a good one, man.
You too. Thanks. I like these right here. All right, guys, we out. Alright guys, we out. So we're looking like Monday. Go ahead and get this thing knocked out. And then I ain't doing nothing else to it. It's done. the whole truck done within a month. We heading up to the drop shop. It is Wednesday morning. They're gonna go ahead and get the lift knocked out on it. It's a little dark in here, but I got the sunroof open. Anyways, I really wasn't gonna even record, guys, but we heading up there. We're gonna get the lift put on, and then I'll show y'all the reveal. We got the tires in the back again. I'm tired of loading these things and unloading them, guys. So, but yeah, that's where I'm headed right now. So I don't know. I might just turn y'all. I'll just turn y'all on when I pick the truck up, guys. We'll see y'all. Peace. Alright, guys, we got her dropped off. I'm out to hold it. I got my stuff out the truck. I'm out to hold the camera down a little bit. Alright, here you go.
Alright, bro. We'll give you a shot as soon as we get it done, man.
Alright, appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Bob. Alright, I'll turn y'all on when we pick it up. What y'all think about it?
Did it get lifted?
Yeah, it's lifted.
It's tall.
It's tall.
It's taller than that. Taller.
It's a little high, huh, brother?
You're taller than me.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, guys. We'll get that B-roll footage for y'all. She's sitting up high now. Big boy, big white. Hey, Pops, this real big white right here, man. What you think, Samari?
It's nice.
You like it better?
Yeah.
I think it look better, man. What y'all think, Silky Smooth Gang? I think it look better.
That's what Daddy got on that own kid.
Yes, sir. I'll wipe it down and get that B-roll for y'all guys. It's rubbing a little bit, but I'm gonna mess with that here in a minute.
It's rubbing?
Just a little bit.
Daddy, can I take a ride to feel it? Is it still smooth?
Yeah, it's still smooth.
I wanna go. I didn't touch you.
Hey, don't start that. Y'all jump out. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn y'all off and we'll get that B-roll.